In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlink EA account on Steam. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to expect, and how to confirm the change without confusion. Before we begin, make sure you can sign into your EA account and that you have access to the email inbox associated with it, since a security code will be involved. Start by opening a web browser and heading to ea.com. Sign into your EA account using your usual login details. If you have extra security set up, complete that verification as prompted. Once you're in, look to the top corner of the page for your profile icon. Click it, then choose Account Settings, or the closest matching option you see. This takes you to the central dashboard where you manage your account. In the Account Settings area, find the section called Connections. It might appear in a left-hand menu or as a tab within the main settings. Open Connections to see a list of third-party accounts linked to your EA profile. This is where you'll find services like Steam, along with any other platforms you've connected in the past. Locate the Steam entry in that list. Next to it, you'll see an option to unlink. Click Unlink and take a moment to read the disclaimer that appears. EA will outline the risks, which can include losing access to certain game progress, DLC, or in-game items that rely on that connection. If everything looks correct and you're comfortable proceeding, check the confirmation box acknowledging those details. Then click Unlink again to continue. To secure the process, EA will send a verification code to the email tied to your account. Open your inbox and look for the message. If it isn't there after a moment, check your spam or junk folder. The code may expire after a short time, so copy it and return to the EA site promptly. Enter the code exactly as shown, submit it, and wait for the confirmation message. Once you see that confirmation, your EA account and Steam are officially unlinked. That's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.